Hey everybody, Jake and Brenda here, our Sweet Adventures.
Hello.
Today we're making...
Well, we're doing a spin on French toast.
Yeah.
Come with us and let us show you.
All right.
All right, so we're gonna do a different type of French toast. Taking a hot dog bun here. And I'm actually gonna, I think, do it in, I don't know, maybe half. Let's try half. And it doesn't matter that if it's just broken half, it doesn't matter. So the first thing is that we need to make what we're gonna dip it in. So there's 2 eggs. You know, I always wanted to learn how the chefs and a lot of other people can do the eggs where they just take it and do it in one hand. Never been able to do that.
And by the way, the eggs, we just bought 18 of them for $2.99. Tell us what they are in your area. We're in Utah.
Yeah.
And thought that was a pretty good deal. I mean, they're starting to come down now, so.
They are. $2.99. It was a sale, but
yeah,
18 eggs for $2.99.
Yeah,
that was a really good deal. Okay. Get that mixed up a little bit better here. And then a 1/3 cup of milk.
Okay.
We use whole milk. And the next thing is a teaspoon of vanilla.
We haven't had French toast in
Oh gosh.
quite some time.
No. I've never been able to make French toast that well. And I don't know why.
A little different with the hot dog buns.
Yes.
See how this...
So we'll see. Maybe this will be the way I get to eat French toast. Yeah. Otherwise, when you go to a restaurant, of course, it's good, but it's nice to be able to make it yourself.
Yep.
So, there is that. Oop. We don't want that in there. Sorry. But gotta take that out.
Okay.
Don't want the egg in there.
No.
And so I need to wash my hands. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take another hot dog bun so that we have 4 pieces. And you can make them smaller. You could make them in little, but I think this is the best way to go. So now we've already got our burner on, but we're gonna melt. I'm gonna turn it up and we're gonna melt
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
Yep.
It's not. Is it on?
Yeah.
Doesn't seem like it's on. Oh. So we're gonna do that.
Right.
And then once that's done, we can dip. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and we have to dip it into cinnamon and sugar. So we will go ahead and get that put together. So I need 3 tablespoons of sugar. You know what? And these are Tupperware containers. And I have had them for many, many years. I'm talking 20 years. And
I can remember back in the day, everybody had Tupperware parties. My mom had them. Everybody had them.
Yeah,
and then eventually, the market gets saturated with, and it lasts forever. It's almost a product that's too good. It was too good because it lasts through generations.
but they still sell it.
Yeah.
Yep. So now we need a teaspoon of cinnamon in here. Move that over. This is a half. So 2 of those. Just stir that together. Because once we have the butter melted and we dip this, and you don't want to soak it. So when you know, and maybe that's what I was doing in the past, trying to make it with Texas toast and everything. It could be that it was too soaked too much, the bread.
Yeah.
I don't know. I never did accomplish that. But anyway, the butter is melting. So once it's melted, we'll come back and make it. All right, here we go. We're just gonna dip this in here like that. Another one, we'll dip in, double dipping, double dipping. Try to get this, get as much cinnamon and sugar as possible. Okay, we're gonna put it in there. I might want to turn that back up a little bit. And did we mention we did 2 tablespoons of?
Yep.
Okay, butter in there. Another one. It's about the right amount of cinnamon and sugar in there, that's for sure. Never tried making anything like this, so.
See how it turns out.
Yes. We'll go ahead and let those get golden brown, and we'll
get back at you and see what. All right.
All right. All right, so they've been in here for a while. I'm gonna flip them. Oh, yeah, look at there. And, come on.
The hot dog bun should give it a different flavor than bread, you know.
Yes, and you know, you could also use like that Hawaiian bread, and they,
sweet rolls.
Sweet rolls, yeah.
Yep.
Something like that. You could do with several different things. Just thought maybe hot dog buns might be kind of fun.
Yep.
But we're gonna go ahead and we'll get them browned on all sides, and then we'll do the taste test.
Okay, guys, they are done. They look pretty good.
Yes, they do.
A little different take on French toast. So now we're going to do a little taste test here. Let's see. Smell good, that's for
Yes,
sure.
it does.
All right, here we go.
Gonna be hot. Burn your mouth.
Yeah. A little different flavor, yeah. Because of the buns, you know. But good.
Good.
Yeah. Want to try something new?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In fact, I might even take each, like the whole bun, cut it in half, and then take it apart and have the little, you know, then you'd have,
Yeah.
because
And go ahead.
because it was a little, well, my piece was like a little bit soggy in the middle.
In the middle, yeah.
But these are just things that you have to try.
We'll try
It's
some
trial and
different
error
things.
type thing.
I still think the Hawaiian sweet rolls,
That would be the best.
yeah.
They're
Next
so
time
yummy.
we'll do that. One of these times we'll do that.
Yes.
Okay.
So remember to let us know where you're watching from,
Yeah.
and like, share, and subscribe.
And we got to give it the,
Oh yeah.
yes.
Yes.
We get
Our
rating
taste
here.
test.
Yes.
We forgot to tell you.
So we always go 1 out of 5. So I'm going to go another 3 with this one. We saved the 5 for perfect stuff, but excellent. And this is good, but could be better with, like I say, the sweet rolls. So yeah.
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 Same 3.
1 for 3. All right.
Yep. All right.
Okay. Well, till next time.
Bye.
See ya.